Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we will be designing and programming a face recognition and face mask recognition project with Arduino. The project would be able to recognize a user's face with accuracy. And it will also recognize a person when he or she is putting on a face mask. This is possible for organizations with personnel security and COVID-19 face mask policy. The project will be designed and programmed with Arduino Pro Mini board and the system-on-chip Huskylenz module encased with other peripheral modules. Without further ado, let us see how this project was made. Please like, subscribe and share channel here to encourage us make more videos in the future. Let us start with the materials and components needed for this project design. We needed the 8x2 LCD module. This is important for the user to see that his or her face has been recognized even when they are putting on a face mask or not. We also need the toggle switch which will help us turn on the project design and turn it off on request. The Arduino Pro Mini development board which is the microcontroller of the project. The project design will be made to run on rechargeable batteries, hence the need for a 3.7 volts LiPo battery. A raw board, some connecting wires and a programming cable like the FTDI programmer will be needed. We will also need some glue sticks and a glue gun, a soldering iron to ensure firm wires joints, a LiPo charging module, an I2C LCD adapter, some header pins both male and female type, and most importantly, the Huskylenz AI module. The schematic diagram shows the DC power connection of the system design. The 5 volts supply is drawn from the output of the LiPo charging module, while it allows also for the charging of the LiPo battery. The I2C LCD adapter is connected to the Arduino Pro Mini board through I2C communication protocol. The power rails of this module is connected to the 5 volts power supply output. Now let us add the Huskylenz module to this circuit diagram and prep for the face recognition and face mask recognition protocol. The schematic diagram shown next is the pictorial form. Here, the Huskylenz AI system-on-chip module has been connected. And also we have connected the power switch that would help us disconnect and connect power into the circuitry. The Huskylenz communicates with the Arduino via serial communication and hence 2 wires is connected to the Arduino digital pins for software serial protocol. The idea is to send serial prompts to the Arduino board when face recognitions of users are made, so that the Arduino can write to the LCD screen also relaying information to the user whose facials are being read. All the power connections are connected as before. The Huskylenz module was however made to receive power as soon as the Arduino board was powered. The design was based off the Frobot's design on their wiki page. When powered, the Huskylenz would have to be manually operated to find the face recognition panel and initiate it. This means the design cannot run automatically but needs a human admin personnel to manage it effectively. Now that we are done with the explanation of the schematic diagram, we can quickly solder this circuit and move to encasing and coupling of the components and module in a presentable and portable enclosure. We used a small casing as this shown here to construct the housing for the project design. The casing's dimension is 3 by 3 inch in measurement. Some part of it was cut open and replaced with transparent glass so that the OV2 camera of the Huskylenz can see through and read the face of the users the design was presented to. The rest of the enclosure is basic fabrication and it is inexpensive to acquire. We move on to the Arduino source code for this project design. This is our Arduino sketch. It began with importing the LCD and Huskylenz libraries needed for the program to work. We defined what pins on the Arduino board we connected the serial communication of the Huskylenz wires. This is the digital pin 9 and 8. This means the receiver pin. D9, of the Arduino board was connected to the transmitter pin of the Huskylenz, and the transmitter pin, DE8, on the Arduino board was connected to the receiver pin of the Huskylenz. Then in the setup function, we printed the welcome message and used a set of while loops to keep checking for the face recognition and displaying to the user when their face is recognized and the face mask they put on is recognized. The program would tell them by displaying on the LCD screen if they have passed the face recognition and face mask recognition tests. We trained the Huskylenz using images of both people wearing face masks and people not wearing face masks, like the ones shown here. The more we train under the object recognition and face recognition programs, the better it gets. See the blog post to understand how to do this better. Now, we test the project design for its efficiency rate. The picture shown here has been trained with the name pretty have a number of IDs. When the project design is exposed to the images of this person both when she is wearing a COVID mask or not, the program recognizes the lady as pretty with the ID numbers. This is a test result that show that the program worked as it was expected to. And that will be all for this project design. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.